Lesson 4, Conversions between Imperial and SI. So one of our conversion techniques is to know that 1 kilogram is 2.2 pounds. You will use this one a lot. Alright, Lorinda is baking apple pies. According to her recipe, she needs 6 pounds of apples. The bag of apples she bought only shows the weight in kilograms. How many kilograms of apples does she need? So I know that 1 kilogram is 2.2 pounds. She needs 6 pounds of apples. I'm going to put that on the bottom because pounds are on the bottom. X is going to go on the top. Is this a problem I know how to solve? Yes, it's proportional reasoning. How do I solve it? Cross multiply and divide. 6 times 1 divided by 2.2. Type this into your calculator. Pause the video if you have to. You should get 2.7 kilograms. Yes, good work. Okay, next question. We're going to convert all of the following. So we're going to go 14 kilograms to pounds. So we know 1 kilogram is 2.2 pounds. I'm going to put the 14 on the top because it is kilograms. I'm going to put X on the bottom. Cross multiply and divide. You should be getting that X is equal to 30.8 pounds. I'm running out of room. Okay, B, 23 pounds to kilograms. So same thing. 1 kilogram is 2.2 pounds. We have 23 pounds, so it's going to go on the bottom. X is going to go on the top. Cross multiply and divide. You get 10.5 kilograms. Alright, so there's our new thing. Now what we have to do is combine kind of the steps we've been doing so far with this. So we're going to go 4 pounds to grams. So we don't have a 4 pounds to grams, but we're going to change it to kilograms, and then we're going to change kilograms to grams. So 1 kilogram is 2.2 pounds, and we know that 4 pounds is X amounts of kilograms. So cross multiply and divide this. You should get X is equal to 1.8182 kilograms. Now to change this to grams, we're going to draw our staircase. 7 steps, milligrams at the bottom, grams in the middle, kilograms at the top. So we're going from kilograms to to grams. So 1, 2, 3, 3 steps down, which means we are multiplying. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 to the right, which is 1,818.2 grams. So we're combining our conversion factor with our staircase from the previous lesson. Okay, 5 kilograms to ounces. Again, I don't know how many kilograms there is in ounces, but I can change it to pounds, and I know that 1 pound is the same as 16 ounces. So let's do that. So 1 kilogram is 2.2 pounds. We're going to change 5 kilograms into pounds. So cross multiply and divide, and you should get 11 pounds. So we know that each pound is worth 16. So if I take 11 and times it by 16, I'll be left with ounces, so I'd be left with 176 ounces. Alright, last two, 200 grams to pounds. So first we're going to change the grams into kilograms. So I'm going 1, 2, 3 steps up. So I'm going to move it 3 steps to the left. 1, 2, 3. So this is the same as 0.2 kilograms. I know that 1 kilogram is 2.2 pounds. I have 0.2 kilograms. We're looking for X. Cross multiply and divide this number, and you will get 0.44 pounds. Next, we're going to do 240 ounces to kilograms. So first, I'm going to know that I'm going to take 240 and divide it by 16 to figure out that I have 15 pounds. Now I can say that 1 kilogram is 2.2 pounds. I have 15 pounds. This is an X. Cross multiply and divide, and it should be 6.8 kilograms. So sometimes you might have to do an extra step in there. Alright, last example. The cost of a banana is 49 cents per pound at one store, but you see an advertisement for bananas. Proofread your work. It's important, okay? Bananas on sale at another store for $1.05 per kilogram. Which is the better buy? So let's change the pounds. We know 1 kilogram is 2.2 pounds. We know that we're going to find 1 pound into kilograms. So we're going to cross multiply and divide there, and we end up finding that instead of it being 49 cents per pound, it's 49 cents per 1 divided by 2.2, which is 0.4545 kilograms. So this one is 0.49 per 0.4545 kilograms. To figure out how much that is per 1 kilogram, we're just going to divide these two things. So 0.49 divided by 0.4545, and we get that it's equal to $1.08 per 1 kilogram. You could also just take this 0.49 and times it by 2.2, not 0.22, which is our conversion factor. Okay, bye.